International Labor Organization says it is ready to support the Philippines rehabilitation program for workers affected by Typhoon Pablo. The assurance was conveyed to President visiting ILO Director General Guy Ryder. The details from Elena Luna.
President Aquino welcomed to the palace newly elected ILO or International Labor Organization Director General Guy Ryder. The ILO chief arrived yesterday for a two-day official visit. It is the first time in 17 years that the highest official of ILO visited the Philippines. Ryder extended his sympathies to the victims of Typhoon Pablo and reiterated ILO support for the rehabilitation program for workers affected by the storm. According to the ILO, an estimated 2.3 million workers have been directly affected by Pablo. Majority of those affected are in Davao region, where about 767,000 agricultural and fishery workers lost their livelihood. ILO has allotted $50,000 or 2 million pesos as initial fund for cash for work and emergency employment. For this program, ILO has teamed up with the Department of Social Welfare and Development, Department of Labor and Employment.
The topics discussed were the ILO pledged to assist the Philippines in any way possible. The President spoke about the framework agreement and how this agreement will pave the way for peace in Mindanao. And also the President shared and discussed with the ILO chiefs our social programs that we have been implementing, such as the CCT, the PhilJobNet, and the TESTA scholarships. That's as far as the data that we have.
This is Ryder's first visit to the Philippines after he was elected as the 10th ILO Director General on October 1. For the People's Television, Elena Luna.